Alright guys, the last time I got a flat tire on the 1190, I swore that I would never travel again without tire repair tools. Well, what happened today? Well, I went to get on the 1190 and the battery was dead. So I just rolled the 390 out and jumped on it, and guess what? All of my tools, all of my tire repair stuff is on the 1190. Oh, so lame. Anyway, riding down the highway, and I see a motorcycle off on the side of the road. So I stopped to check, and guess what? Dude's got a flat tire. He needs the plug. So he jumps on the back, and we ride up over to the auto parts store. We pick up a plug kit, we pick up a pump, we bring it back, we air it up, and we get him back on the road. You're going to want it to go in. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, as long as that goes in relatively smoothly. Yeah, you're good. Now you're going to grab one. Perfect. Grab yourself a little piece of licorice. So this makes it slide in easier is the reason for the rubber cement. Or it's plug bond as well, I guess. You got it, you got it. Almost. Almost. Go a little bit further. There you go. Perfect. And just yank that puppy out. There it is. And I'd usually cut the ends off with a razor blade, but... And then do you have a 12 volt or no? Here's a 12 volt. Alright, let's hope we don't blow a fuse. If we do, I'll have to put a new one in. Alright, compressor is on. It's not doing too bad. No worries, no worries. Oh, so I work for a company called Nelson Rig. We do covers, we do luggage, we do rainwear. And then go a little side gig I do with tires and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm trying to think if I have a knife anywhere in my backpack. I don't think I do. No, it's just if there's a lot hanging out, then that centrifugal force that could pull the plug out. That's the reason for cutting it off. But if it did pop out, all I can do is throw another one back in. I can take that trash with me if you want. So I've got 3 adventure events coming up in the next 3 weeks. If you're interested in ADV stuff, that'd be cool. So it's a Halloween weekend. It's Adventure Moto and Camp. So they got OEMs there where you can go out and test ride different adventure bikes. It's a really cool event. So then, yeah, I guess the plug kit that I've got has straight sticks instead of a T-handle. They suck for the reaming part, but they fit good. Yeah. No, a little tail bag. We have little tail bags that'll be perfect for that. All right, thumbs up. Success. All right. Let's do it. Always an adventure out here on the highway, folks. Always an adventure. All right, there we go.